What's up, you guys? I'm back with another video. Today we're modding the white Camaro. So we're doing a shift knob upgrade. So currently we have this shift knob, but now we ordered this shift knob, which is gonna be nicer than the one it has right now. It's an alcantara shift knob. Boop. It was nicer. It should be pretty easy to install. So previously I had already removed this, so it just has some screw. Let's see. Right there with the, so we just unscrew that and swap it, and it should be pretty easy. So when we do that, and you'll see the clip right now, probably in a hyperlapse. So there you have it, you guys. It was a pretty easy install. Like, it took only like less than 2 minutes to put it on. So here's the old one, the leather one. Now the suede, which is much nicer. Hopefully in the future we can change the steering, because I think it doesn't look that good. Like, hopefully we can get some carbon fiber, but that's on the future. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll catch you in the next video.